It's an Amazon package. What's inside? What are these bottles? Oh my god, it's a YouTube play button. 13 subscribers. Thank you everyone for subscribing. Woo!
Hey guys, so welcome to my new show. I sort of didn't do an introduction last time, so I'll give you guys a little bit of an introduction. It's where I am going to be talking about tech news as well as my thoughts and how am I going to link that to the real world. So little things have changed here and there. I lost the hat, got some real clothes, and I'm going to make this video a little bit shorter. Keep it nice and simple and hopefully entertaining for you guys. So without further ado, let's keep it going. So I'm sure everyone has been listening and has been paying attention to the Facebook controversies that have gone on for the past few weeks. And today, WhatsApp has announced that it will change the minimum age for users from 13 to 16. So what does that leave all of these users from 13 to 15? Well, you're gonna need your parents' or guardians' permission to be sharing information on that platform. I am not sure how they're going to be verifying this because they're going to be asking in very little detail. What you're going to be missing out is that you're not going to be getting a personalized version of the social platform. What that means, I'm assuming, and from my readings, is that it's not going to be targeted for you, the ads in particular. So whenever I'm going to be jokingly looking on car sales about Lamborghinis, the next day on Facebook, I'm not going to be getting ads for a Lamborghini dealership and sales, not really sales, they were just advertising cars, but I'm not going to be getting those ads the next day. And to specify, these changes are only in regards to Europe. And these precautions are quite controversial in a sense, but it is to, I quote, "Our goal is to simply explain how we use and protect the limited information we have about you." Limited information you have about me. Limited. Define limited, firstly. Or are you going to be reaching that point of 100 gigs and then say that's still limited? So Spotify has recently, at a tech conference, have revealed that they will be revamping and redesigning their new app, as well as making new changes to benefit the free users. The three pillars that they're going to be focusing on is ubiquity, personalization, and freemium. Ubiquity is that it will allow for access of its contents and its platform across various devices. Its personalization function will, I suppose, be using data, very much like the last story, and to make it and to give you the ability and opportunity to personalize your experience. I'm assuming with your music tastes, your music playlists, and the platform itself. So to get into the specifics, you'll be able to have 15 on-demand playlists. You can't make the playlists, but it's going to be, I'm assuming, using the personalization feature, and that's what they're going to collect from you, and they're going to recommend and give you some playlists of that. And that's a total of about 750 songs in total, so that's actually not bad. And my final story is with Amazon. So in Australia, we're quite limited with what Amazon can do and what they offer. But overseas and in the States in particular, from walking in supermarkets and walking out without needing to go to the checkout, they're stepping up the game once again. Well, now you can get your packages delivered, wait for it, in the boot of your car. So the premise of the in-home delivery initiative from Amazon last year is that packages can be delivered and put in your home for safety and security reasons, but that is quite ironic because there's a stranger going into your house and putting a package which you may or may not know is safe or not. But I am assuming that it is, because even though following the string of events in Austin where bomb packages have actually been delivered and people actually dying from that, I see that there could be a potential problem with safety reasons, but Amazon has actually worked around that. So to actually have the in-home delivery system work for you, you actually need to spend about $250 on an in-home camera and a smart lock. So So the smart lock is for the person delivering the package or the parcel to actually have access to your home, and the camera is to actually verify, I am assuming if you're not at home, to verify that they are actually an Amazon person, or to I guess monitor the events, just to have it on tape and on record. So you're asking, why would I want my goods to be delivered into the boot of my car? Why can't you just take the, I don't know, another 10 steps and go into my house or put it on my doorstep? Well, two reasons I can think of. First, from the article that I read, a mum who doesn't want a delivery person waking up her baby by pressing the doorbell, putting it in the car, can barely hear that. And I could also see people actually going to work where they're not at home, having the goods delivered to their car in a car park or in an office building, so that it also adds something that gives people a bit more flexibility and a bit more choice. So to get into the specifics, step 1, delivery person finds the car through GPS system and the number plate and a description, or I guess a photo of the car. Step 2, where the delivery person communicates to the Amazon cloud service, which is directly linked to the Chevrolet cloud system or the Volvo cloud system, where a unlock command is issued to the person. Step 3, if all of these checks are all done, right car, right location, right person, everything is in line, then they will be able to unlock the car. In my opinion, this is the better version of the in-home delivery system, where it doesn't cost you $250. You're not afraid that some stranger is going to your house and you're going to be losing things, and your car can actually be anywhere. So if you're in the city with your car working and you need that good that you delivered the day before, then that good can just be delivered to your car during your lunch break. Just go to your car and then get that good. Simple. So that's it for me from the 3 T's show. I know I named it Let's Tech About It. I think that's also a great name. Thanks, Peter. But I think I'm going to be experimenting and changing the format here and there just to keep it fresh, just to see what really works for me when I'm making these videos. But I really do enjoy making them so far. Thank you for everyone who's supporting me. To my 13 subscribers, thank you so much. And I will be continually trying to pump out as much content as I can. And until next time, guys.